Want to sound smarter in English? Let's learn 17 fun and easy words with examples. Stay till the end to master them all.
Scuffle. A short, confused fight or struggle. The boys started to scuffle over the ball. There was a scuffle outside the store. Shackle. To restrain or restrict someone's freedom. The prisoners were shackled before being moved. Fear can shackle your progress. Baffle. To confuse or puzzle someone.
His strange behavior baffled everyone.
The difficult question baffled the students. Huddle. To gather closely together. We huddled around the fire to stay warm. The players huddled to discuss their strategy. Cackle. To laugh in a loud, harsh way. The witches cackled in the movie. He cackled at his own joke. Ripple. A small wave or movement on a surface. The stone created ripples in the water. A ripple of laughter spread through the crowd. Rumble. A deep, continuous sound. The thunder rumbled in the distance. His stomach rumbled because he was hungry. Buckle. To fasten or bend under pressure. Don't forget to buckle your seatbelt. The chair buckled under his weight. Trample. To step heavily and crush something. The flowers were trampled by the crowd. Don't trample over others' feelings. Snuggle. To lie closely and comfortably. The baby snuggled in her mother's arms. They snuggled under the warm blanket. Hustle. To move quickly or forcefully. The vendors hustled to sell their goods. He hustled through the crowd to catch the bus. Shamble. To walk in an awkward, unsteady way. The tired man shambled home after work. The injured dog shambled into the yard. Tumble. To fall suddenly or awkwardly. The child tumbled down the stairs. The pile of books tumbled over. Grumble. To complain quietly or angrily. She grumbled about the long meeting. He always grumbles when he has to wake up early. Humble. To show modesty or respect. She is a humble and kind person. His achievements made him humble, not arrogant. Tangle. To twist things together. The wires got tangled under the table. Don't let your hair tangle in the wind. Bubble. A small air-filled sphere in a liquid. The soap bubbles floated in the air. She blew bubbles for her little brother. You've just learned 17 new words. Practice them in your daily life and see the difference. Want more tips? Hit the like button and subscribe for more.